Sige bro. Video ni bro.
Video ay, hey, welcome to the fun! Ay, 180 degrees and it's time for us to clean up now because we're gonna go to the Armadillo Coliseum to watch the Pinoy Dream Academy winners who uncharted. They will be held tonight and there are only 6 of them, but we do not know who the grand winner or the grand dreamer is. So we'll find out later. So I'll catch you guys. Stay tuned. Don't touch that remote.
I won! I'm the grand champion, man! Nakuan to? Ay? Nag-off na.
Video na sana. Okay, we're back here live again. Hear it.
And I'm...
And so we have here a...
I'm the winner, man!
Yeah, so we're here. Here's our first contestant for tonight.
Hawak kamay!
He is not
Di
yet. He
kita
is Jong Constantino.
iiwan. Bahala ka na
So let's
sa
sleep.
mukha ni mo.
Because we'll be back after these
Sa
messages.
mundo wala ka piyakan.
sa paglapang.
Hawak kamay!
Hawak kamay na lang. Hawak kamay.
Ikaw ay aking bibitawan. Munang paghawak yung mayo.
Boo! Bye-bye, Lay!
Cut! Cut! Cut!